Hello, Donald A. Wilson. This presentation is brought to you by the administration at the school. Today we're going to talk about assembly protocol. There is a specific way that you should behave when you're watching any assembly, specifically the talent show coming up. Rules to follow at an assembly at Donald A. Wilson. The number one rule is respect. So when there is an artist on stage, it's important to be respectful to the presenter or to the performer by providing your full attention. So that means phones need to be away, you need to be quiet, not talking to your neighbor, and watching the stage, giving the performer your full attention. Okay, number two, cell phones need to be off and put away. Make sure your cell phones are off and in your pocket or in your bag. Okay, rule number three, sit with your class. Make sure you are sitting with your correct class and your teacher. Number four, face the stage. So the cafeteria will be arranged in such a way where each group of students should be sitting on the side of the bench facing the stage. Make sure you're sitting on the side that faces the stage and not the back of the cafeteria. Washroom sign out. Make sure you sign out with your teacher to use the washroom one student at a time, and there will be washroom passes provided for each class with one pass going out at a time. But more importantly, make sure that you use the washroom before you attend the talent show so that you can sit for the entire duration, so that this would be in case of an emergency use only. Okay, thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoy the talent show at Donald A. Wilson.